I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and today I'm sharing how to attach a cleaning pad to the Swiffer Wetjet. And this is the Swiffer Wetjet pad. You want to make sure to get the Wetjet pad, not the wet pad. The wet pad goes with the traditional Swiffer. The Wetjet pad is specific to the Swiffer Wetjet. So make sure it's this one. Usually they're purple color, and you can see it'll specifically say Wetjet pad on there. So let's take one of those pads. There's two sides to it. One of them is going to be this colorful little line, and then the other side is going to have these two almost like little Velcro types of attachment points on it. And you want to take that side that has the two little attachment points on it, and then you want to take your Swiffer Wetjet here, and you can see there's these little lines on each side, and we're just going to take the two lines on here and the two lines on there, and we're just going to align those up together. And then we're going to just give it a solid push. So there's not anything that latches that in. It's just going to actually use the little almost Velcro-like material on each side of that. Just give it a push, and then that's on there nice and securely. And we can go ahead and use this to clean. That pad's not going to fall off. It's attached on. Again, just align those little purple lines on there with the actual little Velcro on the Wetjet itself. And then this line should be facing down towards the ground. This is going to be used for scrubbing, and you're good to go. You can start cleaning with your Swiffer Wetjet. When you're ready to remove the pad, all you do is just pull it straight off, and you can throw that away or recycle it, and you are good to go. So that's how we attach a cleaning pad to the Swiffer Wetjet.